Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I'm wearing a stunningly beautiful dress from ACOSAP. What stands out to me about this dress is how vivid the colors are. It's just such a gorgeous statement piece. Now it is meant to be a maxi dress, so I'm 5'5", and the length of it hits right at the top of my feet, so nice and long. Now the material has zero stretch, so I would keep that in mind when sizing. I was wearing a size extra large, and although there's elastic at the very top of the shoulder and a little piece of elastic down where the waist is, again, the material itself does not stretch. It does have a belt that comes with it, and you can wear the top either one shoulder, both shoulders down, or up, just depending on how you want the neckline. So really, it's very adaptable depending on your personal style. I love how lightweight this dress is and stunning. If you are looking for a dress that's going to make a real statement, then this is the dress for you. It's comfortable to wear and nice and long. I love the fact that the neckline is adaptable, so I can even wear it with one shoulder or both shoulders down. And the fact that it comes with the detail of the little belt is very sweet. So I would say definitely try this dress, add it to your cart. You will not be sorry. It's beautiful, and that is my point of view.